passionate travelers. Are you ready to discover how to travel on a budget and make the most out of every penny spent? You are in the right place. Welcome to this practical guide on traveling with a limited budget. Traveling is an enriching experience for the soul and mind, but often we are faced with the crucial question, how can I travel without spending a fortune? Don't worry, because today I will reveal the secrets to planning an affordable trip without sacrificing extraordinary experiences. So get ready to uncover the strategies, tricks, and tips that will make it possible to travel without breaking the bank. Are you ready? Fasten your seatbelts because we're embarking on an adventure to discover how to travel on a limited budget. Tip 1. Early planning. If you want to learn how to travel on a limited budget, early planning will be your secret weapon. Start by conducting thorough research on destinations that offer more affordable costs. Check flight and accommodation rates for different times of the year and look for deals and promotions. Also, remember to consider aspects such as climate and local holidays that might impact prices. Detailed planning will help you avoid unpleasant surprises and save precious money. Tip 2. Affordable accommodation. Another key to traveling on a limited budget is to look for affordable accommodation options. Hostels are a popular choice among budget travelers, offering beds in shared dormitories or private rooms at affordable prices. Alternatively, consider vacation rentals, which can be more cost-effective if you're traveling in a group or for an extended period. Some online platforms also offer last-minute discounts on accommodations, so keep an eye out for unbeatable deals. Tip 3. Budget-friendly food. Eating well during your travels doesn't necessarily mean spending a fortune. To save on food, immerse yourself in the local culture and discover traditional dishes of the region you're visiting. Local markets and neighborhood restaurants often offer delicious meals at affordable prices. Avoid tourist areas where prices can be inflated, and ask locals for recommendations on where to find authentic and reasonably priced delicacies. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a more authentic culinary experience. Tip 4. Economical transportation. Transportation can take up a significant portion of your travel budget, but there are ways to reduce costs. Consider using public transportation, such as buses or local trains, instead of opting for taxis or car rentals. In many cities, bicycles or bike-sharing services are an affordable and sustainable option for getting around. Additionally, explore fares from low-cost airlines or look for flights with layovers, which can be more budget-friendly than direct flights. Remember to book your transportation in advance to secure the best available rates. Tip 5. Free or low-cost activities. A limited budget doesn't mean you have to forgo travel experiences. Look for free or low-cost activities in the destination you're visiting. Museums, parks, beaches, and monuments can often be visited without paying a high entrance fee. Join free walking tours offered by local guides or explore the surrounding nature through hikes and walks. Additionally, inquire about special offers such as student discounts or tourist cards that include access to various attractions at a reduced price. Tip 6. Interact with locals. One of the best travel experiences is connecting with the local culture and people. Besides creating lasting memories, it can also help you save money. Ask locals for advice on inexpensive restaurants, local markets, or off-the-beaten-path places to visit. They are often happy to share their hidden gems, and you might discover authentic spots that are not found in tourist guides. Moreover, interacting with locals will allow you to immerse yourself better in the local culture and appreciate the true spirit of the place you're visiting. Tip 7. Shop smart. When traveling on a limited budget, it's essential to shop smart. Look for local markets or supermarkets where you can buy food and drinks at more affordable prices compared to restaurants. Also, be mindful of unnecessary expenses like expensive souvenirs or branded items. Focus on what is essential for your trip and seek out inexpensive alternatives or handmade souvenirs. Remember that the true value of travel lies in experiences and memories, not material possessions. Tip 8. Save on communication costs. Communications can be a significant expense in your travel budget, especially when traveling abroad. Before you depart, consider options to save on communication costs. For example, you can purchase a local SIM card or use internet-based telephony services to make calls or send messages without incurring high roaming charges. Alternatively, take advantage of free Wi-Fi networks available in many public places such as cafes, libraries, or parks. Stay in touch with family and friends without incurring excessive costs. Tip 9. Look for deals and discounts. Before booking anything for your trip, conduct thorough research on available deals and discounts. Specialized websites and apps often offer promotions and discount codes for flights, accommodations, activities, and even car rentals. Subscribe to newsletters or follow travel companies and providers of interest on social media to stay updated on their special offers. Keep an eye out for last-minute promotions or reduced rates for specific dates. Doing some extra research can save you a significant amount of money. Tip 10. Take advantage of offers and benefits. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the numerous offers and benefits available to budget-conscious travelers. There are many opportunities to save during your trip and get extra perks. Here are some suggestions. Loyalty programs and points. Enroll in loyalty programs offered by airlines, hotels, and car rental companies. By accumulating points, you can enjoy discounts, free upgrades, and other special offers. Last-minute deals. If you're flexible with dates and destinations, monitor last-minute deals. Many airlines and travel agencies offer discounted fares to fill the remaining empty seats. Coupons and discount codes. Search the internet to find coupons and discount codes for flights, accommodations, restaurants, and tourist attractions. Take advantage of these promotions to save some extra money during your trip. Free or low-cost tours. In many cities, you can participate in free or low-cost tours organized by local guides. Attraction discount cards. Check if there are discount cards or packages that offer access to multiple attractions or museums at a reduced price. This allows you to visit more places while spending less. Here's my practical guide for traveling on a limited budget. Remember that traveling doesn't necessarily have to mean spending a fortune. With careful planning, choosing affordable options, and having an open mindset, you can have extraordinary travel experiences without emptying your wallet. I hope these tips have been helpful, and I wish you a budget-friendly journey of exploring the world.